what I think a woman is looking for. When one is confidence in a person, feeling good with the person they're with. Okay? Two, they want a strong person, mentally and physically. Right? Three, they want to feel safe with the man they're with. Four, good sense of humor. Got to live with the guys. Got to have a little, can't be. The last is usually tall or short, or that's the least important. And any survey has always found the same kind of general answers. So basically, the rest, you see, it's got to change eventually. We still have the Walt Disney version of what life should be. A girl meets a guy, rides off on his horse, and lives happily ever after. We're supposed to be the knight, she's supposed to be the Guinevere, and that's it. But I like that for one date. I thought they meant it for one night, not life. I got to ride away again tomorrow night. You guys think it's life because this is the way it's bred into us. The girls think so too. Listen, men and women, from children to babies, sometimes by watching children, you get to learn something. Guys play with their toys since they're this fucking big, or till they're your age. You like cars, you play with cars. You like pianos, you play with toys. Women, I can guarantee right now, I don't know one of you guys that can go in, spend 8 hours a day shopping and buy nothing. When you go out, usually when we go out shopping, it's because we need something. And I don't know one guy who will go 8 hours. You buy it just to get the fuck out of shopping already. Now, how many women could go 8 hours and not buy dick? It's normal. I went shopping. What'd you buy? Nothing. I didn't see anything I liked. The fuck? 8 hours you went shopping? How are you going to try to think like them?
Well, can I interject?
Sure.
Just a comment. One thing I noticed, I was in Miami with a good friend of mine, and we went out to South Beach. And I never picked this up before, but as we were going in the clubs, I noticed women's eyes kind of like a scanner in a supermarket. And Mark leaned over to me and said, "This is why I took you to Armani Outlet, because they're counting the value of your clothing. They're in the shops, they memorize all the prices, they know how much that sweater is, they know how much the pants are, they know how much the shoes are."
I wouldn't be surprised. You know what? They know a lot more of fashion and stuff like that. You can't keep up to that because it's not. First of all, it doesn't interest me. Understand? I don't give a shit. I'm just like every other guy. If that fucking pair of underwear has a rip, but if those are my comfortable pair, I want to fucking wear them. Rip or not. Who gives a shit, But women are different. But that's what we have to accept. You know the differences. You see, you're realizing the differences, and then you're not using that. You're like a computer that's missing some fucking drivers.